Blockchain domains do two things. Simplify crypto payments. Build uncensorable websites. Replace cryptocurrency addresses with a human-readable name. To send cryptocurrency, all you need to know is the recipient's blockchain domain. Send Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other cryptocurrency with just one domain. No more worrying about sending to the wrong address. Launch uncensorable websites. The domain is stored in your wallet, just like a cryptocurrency. No one can move it around other than you. Point your domain to content on a decentralized storage network. Blockchain domains plus decentralized storage equals to a website only you can put up and take down. Make your cryptocurrency payments simple and build censorship-resistant websites. Purchase your blockchain domains today. Click the link in the description below.